Let me demonstrate perfection. 1 inch, 72 thousandths, 1 inch. From the top, right here, to the top surface. This is the dimension I'm looking for, right here. Keep that in mind. Thousandths. That's microscopic right there. That's perfection. Can't get no better than that. I love this shit. Go like this. Test it for flatness. You go like this. See, I'm making good. Look out, 0. Good. I go like this. See how the needle don't move? That's perfect. Perfect flatness. Flip the other side. Right here. Perfect. Perfect flatness. Now, this is their part. This is their part. The needle. See that? That's 3 thousandths right there. See that? 4 thousandths. That's not flat, people. The reason why is because he's hammering. This is stainless steel. He hammers it down. You're not supposed to. You're supposed to let it be in 3 states. Don't hammer it. So that way it naturally to its form. If you hammer it, you're going to damage it. You're going to warp it. So my parts are perfect. This is the 3rd time I correct this or methods of machining. I enjoy it, as long as they respect it as well. Fifth access right here. That's very close it gets right here to the part.
is my workstation. Very organized.